Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create a shadow wipe transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive in. First, place the clips you want to transition between on the timeline. Go to the Effects panel, search Dip to black and drag it between the clips. Next, let's add an adjustment layer above the cut and trim it to the correct size a little smaller than the dip to black. In the Effect panel, search for the crop effect and add it to your adjustment layer. Set playhead to be at the start of the adjustment layer and click the stopwatch icon. Make sure it's set to 0%. Move the playhead exactly to the cut and set it to 100%. Then, one frame ahead and set it to 0%. Next, click the stopwatch icon next to right and move to the cut. Set it to 0%. Move one frame ahead and set it to 100%. Move the playhead to the end of the adjustment layer and set it to 0%. Set a bit of an edge feather around 250. Play the timeline to preview your shadow wipe transition. And that's it. A quick and sleek shadow wipe transition in Adobe Premiere Pro.